Cleaning and sanitizing equipment are critically important steps in preventing the buildup and spread of harmful pathogens to food products. Remember to clean and sanitize equipment before handling food, between different raw animal meats with any potentially hazardous foods and produce at any time that contamination has occurred. When handling potentially hazardous foods, equipment needs to be cleaned and sanitized or replaced with clean ones at least every 4 hours unless kept at appropriate temperatures. Also, remember that cleaning and sanitizing are not the same. Cleaning removes debris, grease, and biofilms, while sanitizing kills any remaining microscopic pathogens on the surface. Proper practices include the following. Number 1. Utilize easy to clean and sanitize materials. Surfaces should be smooth, with minimal to no ridges or grooves for microorganisms to hide. They should also be impermeable so water washes off without soaking. Stainless steel and plastic materials are good examples. Wood is only appropriate if it has a smooth surface and is well maintained. Wood must be a hard, close-grained wood such as hard maple or bamboo. Scratched and degraded wooden equipment should either be sanded or discarded. Also, avoid retrofitted or post-manufactured equipment without consulting an expert, as irregular surfaces may be difficult to clean and sanitize. Step 2. Follow good cleaning practices. First, physically remove large debris and separate any detachable parts to wash individually. Scrub the equipment with a detergent to remove the grease and sugars. If you are using a 3-compartment sink, scrub in warm water maintained at 110 degrees Fahrenheit in the first sink. Then in the second sink, rinse off detergent with running water, being careful not to splash any unclean water onto the surrounding areas. Additionally, only clean sponges and brushes should be used. Dirty ones should be discarded and replaced. Step 3. Sanitize clean equipment in one of 3 ways. The first way is to immerse your equipment in an appropriate chemical sanitizer solution approved for food contact surfaces at about 75 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute. This should be in the third sink if you're using the 3-compartment sink. Common sanitizers have different effective concentrations and water temperatures that should be checked using appropriate test strips and equipment. For all products, follow the label instructions for specific directions. Number 2, rinse thoroughly with hot water, maintained at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3, for equipment that must be cleaned in place, swab or spray food contact surfaces with a sanitizer solution. All other equipment types must be submerged as mentioned in the previous 2 options. Lastly, with properly washed hands, allow the equipment to air dry before use or storage. For more information, please go to